tell us about Mitch and Train situation. You guys are so annoying. You drama frogs are so annoying. They've been fined for like it's that was 3 years ago. It's like it's completely over. They're like people like waiting. Oh, drama. No, sorry. Like, sorry for ruining your day, guys. There's no problems. This is on.
Yeah, I know. What's up, dickwads? Come on, Mitch.
What?
Come on, bro.
Why would I go with you take a shit? He's going to take a shit. What, we gonna hang out in the bathroom, bro? Alright, I'm coming, bro.
So, like I said, it was 3 years ago.
Yeah, we taking a shit?
Like, sorry for ruining your days, guys. Like,
Slick just went like this and was close to Train, and Train was like, "You better back the fuck up, boy. Like, you're like the only reason I'm not hitting you right now is so I don't fuck up the dynamic in this household right now. Okay, you understand that? Like, you don't do that. I'm a 30-year-old man. Like, you don't come up to a 30-year-old man that you barely know and grab his head like you're gonna make him suck his cock. Like, that's not."
XC building is new PCB like. Okay, this is gonna be dumb. I can already tell. Okay, good one, dude.
Love so.
Yeah,
I'm off the
Listen, what is wrong with you, bro? You high?
No, I'm not.
Are you high right now?
I'm always like this.
No shot.
It's because you
I've
love
never
Sosa.
done anything.
You're high.
Do you love Sosa or not?
I do. Yeah, I do.
You had to think about that one.
What the fuck?
Do you and Sosa have...
Have you and Sosa had an affair?
What? This is a small couch, man. There's not much room here.
So say something like, "Hey, T, scoot the fuck over." All right.
Did you not feel it?
He took so long to
I
notice.
assumed it was Mizkif. And then in my head I thought, does this motherfucker have the audacity to literally sit down on my shoulder?
The audacity. I say.
Do you have the audacity?
I say, do you have the audacity?
Huh?
Let's play together.
No shot.
Let's play. Come on.
No.
Let's play.
No shot.
Well, I do declare.
Holy shit.
His lower half of the PJs say 6-year-old. His upper half of his PJs say 48-year-old. At that moment, I knew this motherfucker, bro. I gotta spend as much time as I can with Maya and Miz, because I'm gonna be throwing the news one of these days. It's gonna be one of those Amityville horrors, you know?
He thinks that Slick is going to commit a murder-suicide against everybody in the house.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, I am listen.
It's because of his drip. He doesn't have enough drip.
Bro.
It's his drip. No, admit it's his drip. If he was wearing something nicer, you wouldn't think it's his drip.
Nah, bro.
It's
this
the
guy,
gems.
I'm telling you, bro.
He dresses the same as Miz, though.
Oh, hello.
Nah, bro. Yo, bring him in here, bro. Yo, Slick, come down here, Slick.
Can we bring Slick in here?
Yeah, bring him down here, bro. Oh.
Yeah, this is the... So what's up, man?
Alright, stop.
What? Relax, guys. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Donkey Kong Country, $3.
No. They can't see it.
What?
I made it! Dark again.
No way!
Gets the first one. This is 1,000% rigged, and my lawyers will be contacting you. Carry on.
No. Will's a smart.
Lupo, look at me look at my eyes. They brought me on this show for one reason. It's because I will say the answers that you're not willing. You don't have the cojones.
If you say what I
that
think
the
you're gonna say,
chug is cum flavored.
God damn it, dude! I
cum flavored. Lock it in.
Sorry.
Lock it in.
Don't ruin Fortnite for me, man.
if this comes through,
No.
I'm walking out. I'm telling you.
They shut it down. Shut it. They don't want it, my truth. They're censoring me again. Yeah. Come game 2.
Any thoughts on Lirik? I mean, Lirik's old school as fuck, dude. He used to play on the A3L service and shit like 5 years ago, so he's always been sort of good at what he does. I know everyone will say that someone's like the reason. Well, he's the reason GTA exploded, but Lirik's the reason a lot of stuff on Twitch happened for a lot of streamers in Arma days. You know, if it wasn't for Lirik, I don't think people like Tim Mack and stuff would have streamed. And then then there's the build off that. I don't know if I would have streamed if Tim Mack wasn't streaming and Andy and that didn't get into the server back in those days. There was a big chain of effect that that Lirik brought into roleplay as well, or Arma in general, not just roleplay. Same with the battle royale mods and shit.
Haven't heard anything about it in a bit.
Yo,
also, happy birthday.
Why is he hitting me? What's cracking?
Yo.
What's going on?
What's up? What are you guys doing?
Waiting for food.
Just being gay.
Food's here.
Indian food?
Yeah.
Is it good?
It smells so good.
Illy Miz.
I'm out.
Wait,
See you, bro. Good show.
Georgia G, see what it says.
Yeah, chat. Mitch is.
After credits? Maybe after credits?
Yo, I'm gonna keep it $1.50 with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna get $1.50. This slick guy is a fucking serial killer. No cap.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I love you, Sven.
Yeah.
Good thing we're in person now. There won't be a reception problem.
Hey, Liz Fame.
Fucking say it back.
Yeah.
I love you, Sven.
Tone it. Go.
What, babe, what was that? You're
said I
pregnant?
love
Oh my
you.
god. You owe me, man. You better give me like 500.
Yeah, that's some good cock.
How is it after like 1 or 2 weeks?
No, show them. I love this part. This is my favorite part. Yeah, I love that.
Jesus.
Yep. Show them what you did with your head. You like put it to my head.
Yeah, bro. I can't do that right now.
Oh.
I need some hand sanitizer.
Dude, $100.
You need help, ma'am.
Oh, no, not from you.
Oh my god.
I know, right? So rude.
What? I asked him for help earlier and he told me best of luck when I was trying to go up a ramp.
How rude.
Yeah. You know what? Fine, I do need help. Are you gonna help me?
Best of luck.
Oh my god.
Pulling into the burger shop parking lot. Get him, girl. Don't you dare!
Hey, excuse me, can I play Sunori?
I swear to God. Oh, actually, you should let him go.
Excuse me, can I play Sunori?
I am gonna straight up haze you out of that vehicle.
Can I get
you
one donut
asshole.
for the cat behind me?
Listen, make a drill heavy on my pockets, got the Drake in my pockets going up like a rocket. Ain't no way you can stop this. Ready to handle business, fuck around, sleep with the fishes. Got this my witness before I finish. Got any last wishes? I bring back to you and all your neighbors. Got the casket.
shit. Oh. Oh. Oh no.
All right, beat this paste. Beat it. The trap has been set.
He just stopped. I got the picture.
Oh, you get a cool picture of me?